Hello guys, welcome back to Phani Softech. Now today we are going to see about uh, third session of the core Java. Okay, in this session we are going to clear about Java runtime environment and our first program execution in Java language. Okay, Java runtime and first program. Okay, so in this session we are going to clear first one is the Java runtime environment and the second one is first program. Okay, first program. Okay, fine. So Java runtime environment. Java runtime environment. Here my question is which type of or what are all technologies or softwares needed to develop my first program in Java. This is the question. Okay, if you want to develop a first program in Java, if you want to develop a program in Java, so what are all the softwares we need, what are all the softwares we need to install in our system? Okay, first one is JDK 1.x. it's your up to you. Okay, version. Okay, if you want advanced version you can go ahead and download advanced version. If you have a normal version you can download it. Okay, so for me I am using 1.8 version. Okay, yep. Then yes, JDK itself is enough. Only JDK. First you need to download this JDK. Okay, so if you don't know how to download and install, then you can go ahead my previous video how to install JDK, and then watch it and download and install it. Okay, so I will provide a link in description. You can go ahead and watch that. Or if you want see the top of the video, one card is displaying in white color. You just click that card link and go ahead and watch it. Okay, then okay, fine, software is JDK. Then what are all our prerequisite? I need to do prerequisite in the sense next step is you need to set the path. Set the JDK path in environment variable. That's it. That is important thing. Of course this is also part of the JDK installation video. You can go ahead and watch it and download it and ready your system to develop your first program. Okay, then we can see the environment. Once you download the JDK, what are all the files which is coming? Okay, so if you download the JDK, so it is going to give like two files. One is the JDK file folder, another one is the JRE folder. JDK folder and JRE folder. Here JDK, the full form of the JDK is the Java Development Kit. Okay, so which is used by developers in the sense who are all going to develop a new programs. Those are all called developers. Okay, if we see JRE means Java runtime environment. Okay, Java runtime environment. So Java runtime environment, which is used by some testers, like testing purpose, test the program, Java program. Okay, yes, you have to, you complete your development, then you need to test, right? That's what JRE comes into picture. JRE is going to test your program. We need JRE to test the program, to execute the program, to see the output. Okay, so JDK is only for the developers, and JRE for the testers, and some clients are going to execute it. They won't develop anything. Okay, they are going to test, that they are going to execute the programs and see the output. That's what they need, only JRE. Okay, as part of developers perspective, we need JDK. Okay, if we install JDK, if we have a JDK, then we have one doubt. Okay, hey Phani, I have a JDK, but I'm going to develop one program, then I need to test it, right? So without JRE, how can I do it? Okay, that's what JDK itself, one more folder here, JRE also there. Okay, so once in developers perspective, we have a JDK. Inside the JDK, one more JRE is there. Okay, for testers and client perspective, they need only JRE. Okay, they are going to install JRE alone. Okay, not required for JDK. Okay, I hope you understand. Then we can go ahead and see one environment structure. Okay, I'm going to open my Paint. So how it's look like? Java runtime environment. Java runtime. So first we have a JDK. First step is the JDK or JRE. Okay, then second step is the JDK or Java. You can call it as a Java. Then second step is, what is the second step? JRE. We need JRE. Okay, JRE is there. Then after JRE, we have inside the JRE we have a lib folder. Okay, inside the lib folder we have one jar file. That is important jar file, guys. Okay, runtime jar, rt.jar, runtime.jar, jar file. Okay, then after that, we inside the rt.jar file we have a special packages and folders are there. Special packages and folders. Okay, next, then after inside that special packages and folder, they are giving some predefined classes. Interfaces, classes is there, and enums is there, and annotations and sub packages. Annotations are there and sub packages are there. Okay, then inside these classes and sub packages we have one more environment, like static blocks. Okay, static blocks, non-static or instance block. Simply instance blocks. Okay, and constructors also there. All constructors and methods. Okay, methods, this stuff is available. Next, after that, finally we are going to code here by using those. We are going to coding here, and we have some logics also, logics, and implementation. So this is the actual structure. Okay, so we are here now. We are in here. We are going to develop a program by using static blocks, instance block, constructions, methods, which is available in the predefined classes, enum, annotation, subpackages. Okay, which is available in the special packages and folders. This entire thing, packages are available in the rt.jar file. rt.jar file is available in lib folder. Lib folder is available in JRE. JRE is available in developers JDK kit, Java development kit. Okay. Okay, so yeah, this is the typical architecture of that our runtime. Okay, and I'm going to explain like a rt.jar simply. So what is rt.jar here? High level description. What is rt.jar? Of course, it is a runtime.jar file. Jar having Java archive, right? Java archive having dot class files. Okay, dot class files. It is a predefined code. In previous tutorial, in second session, we are discussing about dynamic, right? Some predefined classes are available, methods are available. We are going to link it dynamically, runtimely, like that we are discussing. Okay, same thing. So predefined code and classes available. Code only, because of ultimately it's a classes, right? It's a jar file having all the dot class files. Okay, so they are Java people are wrote some code, predefined dot Java files, and compiled it. After compilation, which files are going to generate? Dot class files, right? So dot class files, they are going to package this entire dot class files and make it as a jar. That jar is nothing but rt.jar. Okay, we need rt.jar is mandatory. Okay, you will see in now. So I have installed JDK in my system. So I'm going to show you the runtime environment. So under the C directory, program files. So this is the Java folder. After installation, I got this. Then inside the Java, we have two folders, JDK and JRE. Okay, see here, two folders, JDK and JRE, right? Yeah, two folders are available here, JDK and JRE. So JRE for the testers and the clients perspective, and JDK is the development perspective. Okay, JDK is the mandatory thing. If you see here, we have a bin folder here. Inside the JDK, we have a bin. Inside the bin, they are giving predefined programmings like a java.exe. It's a interpreter. Okay, in previous session we are already discussed on the interpreter and compiler, right? So Java C is the compiler. Okay, compiler, interpreter, and Java doc and Java headers, Java h.exe, Java headers are there, Java package, Java profile. Okay, Java P also there. There are a lot of predefined functionalities are there. Okay, then go to JRE. See, inside the JDK we have one more JRE for developers perspective. Okay, inside the JRE we have a lib folder. Correct, right? See the structure once. JDK JRE lib rt.jar. Okay, JDK JRE lib. Inside the lib there are a lot of jar files. If you see here, rt.jar file is there. Where is that? rt.jar file here. Okay, see rt.jar file. Okay, so that I'm going to expand that jar file now. See, I have WinRAR application, that's what I'm going to open this jar file. Okay, open with WinRAR. So inside that, what are all the things? Special packages and things. See, special packages. If you want to use some collection or array list, which package? Java.util package. Correct, right? So see, now it is available or not. Java.util. Here we are going to use array list. See, is there any? See, arrays.class is there. ArrayList.class is there. Okay, these are all the collection classes. Okay, this is the util package, java.util package. We are going to import it, right? Those type of packages. Okay, same lang package, java.lang package. Lang package is having this many things. Okay, see, object.class. Object.class is coming from java.lang package, right? Yeah. Okay, math.class. And one more thing is string buffer.class, string builder.class, string.class, string class, everything which is coming from java.lang package. Okay, so you can see all the package, IO packages, streams, AWT, applet, beans, net, NIO, RMI. Okay, security, SQL package, they have a connections, right? We are using JDBC connection. See, driver.class is there, driver manager. Where is the driver manager? Driver manager.class is there. Okay, we are using connection class also, right? Connection, SQL exception, where is that? See, SQL exception.class also there. Okay, so like that, connection class also there, JDBC related things. Okay, we have all packages are come under this rt.jar file, guys. This is the main important thing. Okay, yes. Okay, that's it. Then that is about runtime environment. I'm going to develop one first program. Okay, first program to you will see. That is about runtime environment, Java runtime environment. If you have any doubts, just post as a comment. Okay, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. If you like it and share it. Okay, so first Java program. So first Java program, where I need to write. So that is called editors. What editors I need? Editors. Okay, we are going to use editors. We are going to use Notepad. Notepad is also one editor, and Notepad++, Notepad++ or Edit Plus. If you are going to some IDEs, you can go for IDEs. Okay, we will learn IDEs also, because a lot of members don't know about Eclipse and everything. Eclipse, what are all IDEs? NetBeans and the Oracle Developer. So these are all the IDEs. Okay, so Notepad is by default available in your system. If you want some colorful and order maintenance, you can go ahead and download Notepad++ or Edit Plus. Okay, and if you want to develop IDE itself, you can use IDE. Okay, first we are going to develop using Notepad, then we are going to use IDE. Okay, we will learn in IDE. Okay, so go ahead and open one Notepad, and before that I'm going to create one workspace for us. Under the Phani software, we are going to create one folder here, Core Java Practice. Okay, so inside this folder I'm going to create. Okay, just go to run and click Notepad, 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 and enter. So one Notepad is display. Okay, then I'm going to write a program. Now see, every program starts with class. Just blindly go ahead and develop, guys. So for upcoming videos we will learn each and everything. Okay, so first program. Okay, then braces. Every program starts with class. Okay, class and class name. Class name is your choice. Class is predefined word. Okay, class is, it should be small. Okay, so class. So we have one method here, that's called public static void main. This is the mandatory method. Our execution will be starting from main method. This is called main method. Okay, So public static void main. Inside the main method we have a arguments is there, string array of arguments. Okay, we will learn each and everything in upcoming videos, no problem. You just create exactly. Then I'm going to print some message. So system dot out dot println hello world. This is my first program, first Java program. Okay, so printing statement, this one simple guys, only syntax only the change. Of course you are all know about C and C++ languages, right? In C we can use like a printf, right? Printf. In C++ we are using cout. Okay, so like that we have a system.out.println in Java. Okay, that's it. My Java program is completed simply. Okay, I'm going to save it. So go to file and save. In which folder? So under the Phani software, under the core Java practice, here make sure for saving you need to give same class name, first program, right? F capital P capital, first program dot Java. Extension should be mandatory. Okay, dot Java, first program dot Java file. Save it. Now our Java file is ready. Minimize it. Core Java practice here. Okay, this is our Java first program dot Java file. Okay, I'm going to compile it. How to run? Okay, so after completion of that, my question is how to run or execute Java program. So first step is compile the program. Okay, by using Java compiler. Our Java compiler is Java C. Okay, what is the syntax of compilation? Compilation syntax is Java C. Okay, program name dot Java. This is the syntax. Okay, in our case Java C, what is the program name? First program F capital, first P capital, first program dot Java. This is the compilation. After compilation it's going to generate dot class file. Okay, to execute the dot class file. Okay, so second step is run the dot class file. So this is the execution step. Okay, so what is the syntax of it? How to use interpreter? Okay, execution step by using interpreter. What is the interpreter here? Java is the interpreter. So here what is the step? How to syntax? Java interpreter, and we are giving our dot class file name. Okay, first program. This is our dot class file. Okay, this is the program name. Simple guys. Okay, so just go ahead and compile it. In where? In the command prompt. Okay, open command prompt. Windows or cmd command prompt. Okay, so which is in C directory. So now my program is E directory core Java practice. So I am going to navigate to E directory, E:. Okay, now I am going to change. I need to change the directory from E to core Java practice folder. So cd change directory core Java practice, core Java practice. Enter. Now core Java practice. If you want to see all the files, you just use directory. See, we have a first program.java file. Okay, so clear it. So now I am in the core Java practice folder. So I am going to compile now. Java C. Okay, Java C, Java compiler. My program name is first program dot Java, Java mandatory. If we click enter, see, it is going to compile. You need to wait. If any compile time errors are there, it's going to display here itself. Okay, we'll see. It's the first time, right? So it will take some time to compile. Okay, compilation is success. There is no error. If we see the same folder, see first program.dot class file is there. This is the bytecode. Okay, you can distribute this dot class file in everywhere, irrespective of operating system. Okay, we are creating this dot class file by using Windows 10 operating system, right? So you can distribute 64-bit operating system. So it is architectural neutral, and at the same time it is a distributed and platform independent. 3 features in Java features. Okay, you can share this dot class file to any system. Okay, and execute. You can run this Java dot class file. Okay, so if you see that dot class file, so you can see the bytecode. I think using Notepad you can open. You can see this is the bytecode. So you cannot able to understand. Due to this, it is a heavy security. Okay, security also very high. So this is the dot class file. So we are going to execute this dot class file by using interpreter. Okay, see how to execute. What is the syntax? Interpreter Java and our dot class file name. First program without extension. Okay, hit enter. See, hello world. This is my first Java program. Okay, this is success case. This is executed. Say let's clear the screen, and I'm going to give some error inside the code. I'm going to delete it. If you want, you can delete it. Go to our program. First program, right? Here I'm going to remove this semicolon and save it. Okay, and saved it, and I'm going to compile one more time. Okay, Java C first program.java. If you see here, see error, one error. So what is the error? Semicolon expected. System.out.println hello world. Here semicolon is missing. That's what is showing error. Okay. See, if it is error, there is no dot class file. So you go ahead and modify that error. Semicolon, Control S, save it, and try to run one more time. So Java C first program.java. Yes, compiled successfully, and run it. Java first program. Okay, yeah, hello world. This is my first Java program. Okay, that's it guys. This is about first program and Java runtime environment. If you have any doubt, just post a comment in comment section or ping me through my mail ID phanikumar.javadev@gmail.com. Okay, if you are a new user, you can go ahead and subscribe it, and if you like my video, like it and share it. We'll back on next session. Until then, bye bye. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.